Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's the Silver Fox here. Hey, today's topic is going to be that 2023 Peace and Morgan uncirculated silver dollars and the quality and quality control at the U.S. Mint. There's been a lot of unboxing videos that have been like, some are good, some are bad, but like, really, where's the quality control at as far as the U.S. Mint goes? And should we expect more? Should we expect less? Let's go through what I saw in the comments, and then also we'll go through a couple of reveal videos, and I'll tell you what they saw. So going through the comments, you're more than likely to hear the negative things than the bad things. So it seemed like with the peace dollars, didn't really hear too many things bad about them. And then as far as the Morgans go, it kind of seemed like 50-50. A lot of people are complaining about certain nicks, scratches, blemishes, and then other people were like, hey, mine look fine, I'm going to submit them to PCGS and stuff like that. So I'd probably say realistically maybe 75% of the piece were good, and then maybe 50-50 on the Morgans. The Morgans seem to have more trouble for some reason. Not exactly sure why that is. Probably because the Mint thought the Morgans were going to be more popular than the piece or something. So let's go to the reveal videos. And the first one I'm going to talk about, my big man Blue Ridge Silverhound. He got a couple Morgans, and I remember it seemed like a few of them had like a little nick, scratches on them. But there was one that he got that had, like, to the left of the face on the obverse, it seemed like it had like a white mark, or somebody said that they thought it might be the suction cup mark from the machine that takes them out of the trays or whatever and puts them into the capsules. And so that looked pretty bad. I definitely, if I paid $80, definitely wouldn't want to see that on a coin. I'd probably be sending it back. But also you gotta remember, some people only bought one coin. If they send it back, they won't get any coins, and then they'll just get their money back. So you kind of have to, pick and choose as far as that goes. So his Morgans weren't the best. I think he had maybe one that was all right, two that were okay. Another person that did a Morgan reveal was Paulie Buck. And I remember he got his like next day air, so he could do a reveal, and he was super quick on it. So he did his reveal, and there was one that had like a oil spot on like the top of the cap area, if I'm remembering right, on the obverse. Maybe it was the reverse, but I'm pretty sure it was on the obverse. I can't remember. But anyways, a big old oil spot that looks like like WD-40 or whatever lubricant they used on the machines, moving the coins or striking them or whatever. So I was kind of disappointed to see, especially somebody that's paying their hard-earned money and they get an oil spot on a coin. And he did a follow-up video. It kind of, I don't blame him. He's probably going to hold on to it from the sounds of it, because otherwise you're, just get your money back. I remember Spectacular, he did a reveal from the Fun Show, or he got his coins at the Fun Show. They looked all right from what I remember. And correct me if I'm not remembering them right, but I thought they were okay. Silver Wolverine did one as well. I thought his coins looked pretty good. Yeah, so it seems like if you got Morgans, you're probably more than likely to get some dog coins. And it seemed like a lot of people that got the piece, they look pretty good. A few people said they had some nicks and scratches on them, but the Morgans were definitely the dogs. So that also brings me to a question. if you guys got the Morgan and Peace, how did they turn out? Were the Peace better than the Morgans, like I'm saying, or the opposite, or what have you been seeing? And also, that leads me to my next thing. Maybe the uncirculated Morgans, since their quality control is so bad, maybe those 70 grades are going to be worth more. Who knows? Just kind of a thought based off of what I've seen so far. So, Morgans, definitely the dog coins, it seems like. And I don't know if that has anything to do with the design. It doesn't seem like it with the oil and the white marks and stuff. But it sounds like the Peace are doing pretty good. And I personally like the Peace better than the Morgans. But just my forte, right? Full disclosure, I actually didn't even get any uncirculated Morgan or Peace. I'm just saving my money and bought a lot in 2021, so just holding on the reverse proof series coming up. So yeah, let me know what you guys saw, what you've seen. I'm sure everybody's seen something different, but just thought I'd put that out there. Seems like the Morgans are a little bit harder for good grades, so maybe you want to send those in for grading. We'll have to see what the numbers turn out to be. If you're going to send them in to PCGS NGC Annex, please view my grading 2023 Peace Morgan video, and I'll give you some good insight and some clues to save you some money on grading before you send them in. So, all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Take care.